have a STEM activity of balancing. What we will, okay, this activity is connected with physics. Okay, this is science activity. What we have here are the piles of books, two piles of books. Okay, two sets of books. So what we will do, we will take a paper, a piece of paper, this is the computer paper. Okay, then we will make a bridge over here. It's a bridge. Okay, now this is a duster, a heavy duster. It's a heavy duster. If we keep the duster over here, the bridge will fall down. The bridge will fall down. Now, what we will do, we will make this paper in a zigzag form like this. This is the same paper, but what I did, I fold it like this and make it zigzag like this. Now, this is a zigzag paper. It's like a fig. Look, there are many triangles over there. You have seen this triangle. What I will do, I will keep this paper over here. The same paper. This is the same paper. And this is the same duster. What we will do, we will keep the duster over here. And the bridge is not falling down. It's balanced because जो ये triangle है, इन्होंने weight distribute कर लिया है. They can carry the weight easily. So this is the STEM activity.